Hi, I'm Stan DeFreitas, Mr. Green Thumb. All right, you want to plant your own tomatoes from seeds. Go to your local nursery, get some fresh seeds that are dated for this year. Don't try to get those bargain basement seeds because they often don't do too well. Remember that a seed is normally planted about 1 time as deep as the seed is thick. In other words, these little tomato seeds probably go about 1/4 inch deep. If you plant them way deep, it's not like planting a bulb that you want to plant down 3 inches deep. Make sure you have it just as deep as the seed package calls for. There's also some spacing. Get a good soil. If you're growing in this container, take your seeds, sprinkle them out, and normally then you're going to cover the seeds over with a light covering of dirt, usually about 1/4 inch. Not a lot heavier, and you do have to have a little cover because the seed has to have something to kind of grow up through. With tomatoes, you're going to get first the 2 little leaves coming up. They're called your first cotyledons. As those leaves get to be more mature, they'll put on more mature leaves as well. Starting tomato plants from seeds is fairly easy. It's one of those seeds that usually germinates without a lot of work. Do remember, if it dries, it dies. So you have to keep those little seedlings on the moist side. If you do that, you'll have tomatoes in about 60 to 75 days. For AskMrGreenThumb.com, I'm Stan DeFreitas.